Hello everyone, I am Norhamin Ulamakali from BSCD 3C. Today I will be discuss the Local Development Council from Section 108 to Section 110. So the Section 108 of the Local Development Councils outlines the process for non-government organization like NGOs to participate in the council's decision making. Within a 60-day time frame following the Council's establishment, NGOs are required to choose their representatives from among their members. These representatives will then be accredited by the local sanggunian, the council, based on criteria outlined by law. This process ensures that NGOs have a voice in local development initiatives and are recognized as stakeholders in the decision-making process. On the other hand, Section 109 of the Local Development Council outlines the function of provincial, city, and municipal development councils. These councils are responsible for formulating long-term, medium-term, and annual socio-economic development plans and policies, as well as medium-term and annual public investment programs. They also appraise and prioritize socio-economic development programs and projects, formulate local investments, incentives to promote the inflow and direction of private investment capital, coordinate, monitor, and evaluate the implementation of development programs and projects, and perform other functions as may be provided by law of component authority. On the Section 110 addresses meetings and quorum for the Local Development Council, stating that the council must meet at least once every 6 months or as often as may be necessary. So that's all. Thank you.